I'm going to tell you in this video the easiest way to make $10,000 a month. And if you follow these 3 steps exactly how I explained them to you, if you want to make $10,000 a month, you have to intensify your impact or your influence by having consistency, having integrity, and serving the people. Consistency is doing something regularly and persistently without losing focus. For example, if you cut your grass every 2 weeks, in order to have consistency, you must cut your grass every 2 weeks. Integrity is following through on what you said that you would do. For example, if you said that you were going to pick someone up at 8 a.m. every day, no matter what happens in your life, you should pick them up at 8 a.m. every day without having any excuses, because you've already told them that you were going to pick them up at 8 a.m. every day. If you're not able to make 8 a.m. one day, you should make sure you call them in enough time so they can adjust accordingly. Having integrity will encourage people to trust you. Serving the people is one of the best ways to intensify your impact or your influence. For example, give care, love, and time to those that are less fortunate than you. This is merely giving up what you have more to give. You do not have to allow anybody to bully you, to disrespect you, or to take advantage of you. The people that you are serving are your family members, your colleagues, your community, and other people of the world. This unselfish gesture, though not the goal, will reap you an abundance of blessings from God. By combining consistency, integrity, and serving the people, you will intensify your impact and your influence in all aspects of your life. By increasing your impact and your influence, people will gravitate to you and support you. When they gravitate to you and support you, if you provide value, they will provide currency. And that is how you can make $10,000 a month. As a matter of fact, that is how you can make more than $10,000 a month. For more information such as this, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. I need to get more subscribers so I can go live. When I'm able to go live, I can answer all of your questions directly. As always, I'm here because I care, and if no one has ever told you, I, your father, truly, truly, truly loves you. Peace.